For the second step in Exercise 1, iMachining Walkthrough, we will define the machine and work material parameters. First, we will need to add a new iMachining operation. Right-click on the Operations folder in the SolidCAM Manager tree, highlight Add Milling Operation, and select 2D iMachining. When the first iMachining operation is added to our CAM part, we will need to define the machine and work material parameters for the iMachining database. Note these buttons at the bottom left of the dialog. They enable us to manage machine definitions in the list. The new icon enables us to add a new machine definition. The delete icon allows us to delete existing machine definitions from the list. The Save As icon enables us to save defined machine definitions under specific names and locations. Finally, the Revert icon enables us to return all the edited parameters to their default values. For this exercise, let's select the Haas SS New machine definition from the list. In the General section, we'll use the set values for Spindle Speed Max, 12,000 RPM, Feed Rate Max, 21,158 millimeters per minute, and Spindle Power Max, 20 kilowatts. For a reposition feed rate, let's set the value for XY movements to 10,000 millimeters per minute, and the value for Z movements to 3,800 millimeters per minute. Click Next to define the work material. Choose the aluminum option with a 100 Brinell hardness number and a hardness Rockwell of 60 on the B scale. Click Finish to confirm the machine and work material parameters definition. Note that the machine and material databases for iMachining can also be selected in the CAM part definition dialog box upon creating any new CAM parts. After we have confirmed the machine and material definition by clicking Finish, the iMachining operation dialog box is displayed.